an amazing day today. We had so much fun.
And our team won, which is awesome, but collectively it was a great effort from the entire Tiger team. And we're looking forward to do this hopefully more than once a year.
I think this is a great initiative that supports so many people that really need it in our country.
It was awesome. I will do it again and again and again.
Hi, I'm Gwen Francis. I'm the Group HR Executive for Thai Auto. And with me here is Alex Taplin, our Chief Operating Officer. And we just want to say thank you so much to Judea Harvest that we could take part in this fantastic initiative today. We packed food in like under an hour and a half, which is an all-time record. So see if you can beat that, everybody out there.
Best in the world.
And also just to say thank you to all our staff for taking the time out of their diaries. We're busy with month ends, so for all of those that couldn't join us today, we say thank you to you for keeping the office running and answering the phones. And thank you again to Judea Harvest for being part of this awesome privilege to be able to give back a little bit to our communities. Thank you very much.
I'm not a man of too much public speaking, so just like to also add my 2 penneth and say thank you to Judea Harvest for an awesome event, awesome initiative. Really brought the team together. We had a lot of fun, lots of shouting and screaming, and at the end of the day, I think the beneficiaries are those needy people out there that really need that extra meal. So, spare a thought for them, and thank you very much.